I want you to look at something real quick. This right here, this solar lantern, I found it at a boutique garden shop last weekend. The price tag said $42. $42 for one lantern. And honestly, it was beautiful. I'm not gonna lie. The kind of thing that makes you stop and think, okay, maybe I'll treat myself. But here's what they don't tell you at that boutique garden shop. Dollar Tree has something that casts the exact same light pattern at night. The same intricate shadows. The same warm glow spreading across your patio. And it costs $5. $5. And that's not even the most shocking one in this video. Today I'm going through 9 Dollar Tree garden hacks. All of them from 2026. Most of them so new that very few people are even talking about them yet. Some of these just hit shelves weeks ago. And I'm going to show you exactly what to do with each one. Because just buying the item isn't enough. It's what you do with it that makes it look like you spent real money. Stay with me through all 9 because hack number 7 genuinely surprised me. And I've been doing this a long time. Real quick, if you're new here, this channel is about one thing. Making your outdoor space look like it cost a fortune without spending like it did. If that sounds like something you'd want more of, hit subscribe. I drop new hacks every week, and the stuff coming up this summer is going to be really good. Okay, let's get into it. Hack 1. Mushroom solar stake lights. So if you've been at Dollar Tree recently, like in the last few weeks, you may have already noticed these. The Garden Collection mushroom-shaped solar stake lights. $1.50 each. And right now they are flying off shelves. I've seen multiple TikTok videos of people genuinely emotional about these lights, which sounds dramatic until you see them at night. Here's what most people do with them. They just push them into the ground wherever they have them. And that's fine. But here's the part nobody tells you about getting the most out of them. The grouping is everything. You don't want to space them out evenly like runway lights. What you want to do is cluster them. 5, 7, 9 in a tight cluster right in the corner of a garden bed or tucked at the base of a shrub. Mix the colors. They come in red, blue, yellow, and green. And when they all glow together at night, it looks like a fairy tale. Like something you'd see in a movie. I'm not exaggerating. One shopper left a review that said, and I'm quoting this because it's accurate, the most amazing glow at nighttime. And she's right. The way the light comes through the mushroom cap shape creates this soft, diffused halo around each one. There are no harsh edges, no blinding LED brightness, just this quiet, warm, enchanting little glow. What I did personally was cluster 9 of them, 3 red, 3 yellow, 3 blue, at the base of my porch railing. 13.50 total. At night, my neighbor knocked on my door and asked me where I found them. When I told her Dollar Tree, she actually laughed. She didn't believe me. That's the reaction you're going for. Hack 2. Laser-cut metal solar lantern. Okay, this next one. This is the one that made me stop in the aisle. Dollar Tree now has a laser-cut metal solar lantern. $5. And what makes this different from every other cheap solar lantern you've ever seen is what it does to the space around it when the sun goes down. Laser cut means the metal frame has these intricate geometric cutouts pressed through it. And when the LED inside activates at dusk, automatically, no switches, no wiring. The light pushes through those cutouts and cast patterns. Actual decorative shadow patterns. On your fence, on your patio pavers, on the ground, around your chairs. This is what you pay $60, $70, $80 for at Pottery Barn or a boutique home store. The same effect, the same quiet drama at dusk. Here's what most people don't realize, though. Placement is the difference between nice and genuinely stunning. You don't just set these on a flat surface and walk away. What you want to do is place them on an elevated surface. A step, a brick, a raised planter edge. Anything that puts the lantern slightly above the ground so the light casts outward and downward. That's when a shadow pattern really shows up on the pavement in front of it. Group 3 on your porch steps. Odd numbers always look intentional. 3 lanterns on 3 different steps, slightly offset, $15. And I promise you, guests will stop and notice them. People will ask. Hack 3. Bowl mushroom garden sculptures. This one is so new, it was literally covered by a major home publication this week. June 2026. Still barely anyone knows about it. You're taking a Dollar Tree bowl, red, stoneware, or plastic, $1.50, flipping it upside down, painting white polka dots on it, and gluing it onto a wooden stick. It becomes a woodland mushroom, toadstool, garden sculpture. And I know what you're thinking. I thought the same thing. That sounds crafty, in a way that might look cheap. Here's the part that surprised me. When you cluster 5 or 7 of them together, different sizes if you can find different size bowls, in a garden bed or along a pathway edge, they look genuinely whimsical. Not arts and crafts whimsical. Storybook whimsical. The kind of thing people stop and photograph. The trick is sealing them. A coat of outdoor Mod Podge or clear sealant spray before you put them outside. If you skip that step, the paint will peel after the first heavy rain and you'll have sad, bare bowls on sticks. Don't skip the seal coat. One came from Dollar Tree, $1.50. Your mushrooms will hold up through the summer no problem. One more thing most people miss. Position them so the biggest mushroom is in the back, smallest one's in front. Like they're actually growing. That small decision is the difference between cute craft and wait, did you buy those somewhere? Before we keep going, if you're getting ideas, drop a comment below and tell me which hack you're trying first. Seriously, I read every single one. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now is a really good time. Hack 5 is the one that went the most viral in 2026, and I want you to see the upgrade I did to it that nobody else is doing. Hack 4, tabletop torch tray, 3-in-1 decor. All right. This one is different from the others because it actually does 3 things at once. Dollar Tree now carries glass tabletop torches. $3 each. They're beautiful on their own, clear glass with a little wick. But here's what a TikTok creator figured out, and now this has been all over the internet. You glue 3 of them onto a wooden tray. Fill the gaps between the torches with glass gems from Dollar Tree. Then you fill the torches with citronella tiki torch fluid. You can grab that at Walmart for about $5. What you end up with is a patio table centerpiece that looks like it came from a resort. It looks good in the daytime. It lights your table at night. And it repels mosquitoes. 3 functions. 1 object. Under $20 total. You know exactly what I mean when I say there's nothing more frustrating than finally setting up your outdoor space for a summer evening and then 5 minutes later everyone's going inside because the mosquitoes showed up. This hack solves that without a single ugly citronella candle on the table. The little detail most people get wrong. Choose matching gem colors that complement the rest of your patio. If your furniture is neutral tones, clear glass gems. If you want something warmer, amber. If you're doing a bold summer vibe, deep blue or green. The gems are what makes the tray look finished rather than like a craft project. Hack 5, broom handle solar torch. Okay. This is the one. This is the hack that went so viral this spring that home publications started covering it. DIYer Liz Fenwick posted it in April 2026, and the comment section was full. People kept saying the same thing. I cannot believe this is from Dollar Tree. A solar stake light. $1.50. A broom handle. $1.50. You pull off the end of the broom handle, you slide the solar light stake into it, and you now have a tall, elegant garden stake light for $3. The height is what changes everything. Standard solar stake lights sit low. They light the ground around your ankles. But a broom handle raises them to waist height, sometimes chest height, and suddenly the light is in your space instead of just on the ground beneath it. Now here's the upgrade that nobody else is doing. Wrap the broom handle. Dollar Tree has artificial vines, $1.50, and burlap ribbon. Wrap the handle from bottom to about 2/3 up, the solar light on top, the wrapped rustic handle below. It looks like a purpose-built garden torch, not a broom with a light in it. If you want to go one level further, put a mushroom solar light on top instead of the standard one. Same method. Now you got a tall, whimsical mushroom torch. That combination is something I haven't seen anyone else do on this platform yet. 2 of these flanking a front walkway or either side of the gate. $6. Less than a coffee. Hack 6, DIY patio side table. This is the one that gets the most disbelief. $2 tree plastic planters, glued base to base with outdoor caulk. They form an hourglass shape. You sit a spray-painted Dollar Tree pizza pan on top. That's your tabletop. Seal everything. For under $8, you have an outdoor side table. And look, I'll be honest with you. On its own, the paint job and the material are obviously inexpensive, so you need the details. Wrap the middle joint where the two planters meet with jute cord from Dollar Tree. Or press glass beads into the wet caulk around the seam before it dries. Those two details change the entire read of the piece. Once it's finished, style with a small solar lantern on top and a potted plant beside it. People genuinely don't identify it as planters and a pizza pan. They see a patio table. A TikTok creator named @Leonesselin posted this, and the comments are wild. People couldn't process it. That's the reaction you're going for. That moment where someone has to mentally reconstruct what they're looking at. Hack 7. Fairy Garden Miniature House Planter Scene. Okay, Hack 7. This is the one that surprised me. Not because it's complicated, it's actually one of the simplest things in this video, but because the result is so unexpectedly beautiful. Dollar Tree now carries fairy garden miniature houses. $1.50 each. They're small, about 4.5 inches wide, and they have real detail. Little windows, tiny doors. Some have stone textures, some have wood beam details. They look like they belong in a storybook. Here's what most people don't realize about these. Alone, they're cute. But the moment you scene build around them, something shifts entirely. Take a medium terracotta pot. Layer the bottom with small stones. Add some dark potting soil, or even just dark-colored decorative pebbles. Press 2 or 3 fairy houses into the soil at different angles like they're a little village. Tuck moss around the base of each one. Push 2 or 3 mushroom solar stake lights into the gaps between the houses. At night, the mushroom lights glow. The fairy houses cast tiny shadows. The whole pot looks like a living miniature world. I've shown this to 3 people in person. All 3 asked if I bought it at a specialty garden boutique. This is $11 of Dollar Tree finds, and it is genuinely one of the most charming things you can put on a porch. The cottagecore aesthetic is the #1 garden style trend in 2026. If your audience is on Pinterest, on Instagram, on TikTok, this is exactly what they're searching for, and you can make it for under $15. Hack 8. Solar Hanging Cloth Lanterns. This one is quiet, and I mean that in the best possible way. Dollar Tree's new solar hanging cloth lanterns. $1.50 each. They come in soft, muted colors, the kind that don't demand your attention in the daytime, but glow the most beautifully at dusk. No lighting, no batteries, no outlet, just a hook. Here's the part that gets me about these, and maybe you've felt this too. There's something about lighting that changes the entire emotional tone of a space. Not just how it looks, how it feels to be in it. And these lanterns, hung along a porch railing at different heights, 3, 5, 7 of them, create this layered, warm quality that makes your porch feel like a place you actually want to spend time. Not just a place between the door and the driveway. Hang them at 2 different heights, some at 6 feet, some at 4. The variation makes it look intentional, almost like someone designed it. And for $11 worth of lanterns on hooks, you probably already have. That's the effect you're getting. Pair these with a laser-cut lantern from Hack 2 sitting on the porch step below, and honestly, your porch looks like a photo shoot. Hack 9. Iron plant stand plus stomp stone paver vignette. And here's the last one. And honestly, this might be the most valuable thing in this video. Not because it's the most impressive individual hack, but because it teaches you how to think about your space. Dollar Tree now sells iron plant stands. $7. Real iron. Outdoor rated. Colorful. These went on shelves in early 2026, and people genuinely didn't expect Dollar Tree to carry something this solid. They also now have stomp stone pavers. 12 by 12 inches. $3 each. Here's what you do. You place 2 or 3 pavers in a corner of your yard or patio. Just lay them directly on the ground or grass, slightly overlapping, not perfectly aligned. You set the iron plant stand on the pavers. You put a ceramic faux planter on the stand, Dollar Tree, $5. You add a trailing faux plant from Dollar Tree, couple dollars. You set one of the laser-cut solar lanterns beside the base of the stand. That's a garden vignette. That's a style moment in your yard. And this is the thing most people don't realize until they've already spent a lot of money figuring it out. The secret to a yard that looks intentional is not the furniture. It's the moments. Little styled corners that look like someone thought about them. You don't need to redo your whole patio. You need 3 or 4 of these vignettes placed around your space. That's it. Under $20 each. Before you go, I kept 2 hacks out of the main list. Not because they're less good. Honestly, one of them is my personal favorite in this whole video. First, the iridescent pinwheel cluster. Dollar Tree has these iridescent pinwheels, $1.75 each. And in the right sunlight, they shimmer like something you'd see in a designer garden. Plant 7 to 10 of them in a tight cluster in a garden bed, mixed with a couple of $5 metal wind spinners for height variation. When a breeze comes through, the whole cluster moves. Different speeds, different shimmer. It's the most visually alive thing you can add to a yard for under $15. Second, the gold candle lantern holders. $3 each. These have a thick ring at the top that slides right onto a shepherd hook, and with a tea light inside the glass tumbler, they're completely windproof. 3 of these hanging from a fence-mounted shepherd hook at different heights. $9 total. And your fence line looks like it belongs on a home design account. Those are your 2 bonuses. All right, that's all 9, plus 2 bonuses. Here's what I want to know. Of everything you just saw, which one are you actually going to try first? The mushroom cluster? The torch vignette? The fairy garden scene? Drop it in the comments. I genuinely want to know. And if you've already tried any of these and you have a photo, share it. I feature viewer photos in my community posts. If you got something useful out of this video, subscribe. This channel is for people who want their outdoor spaces to feel like home without feeling like they've been taken advantage of by retail markups. That's the whole mission here. In the next video, I'll leave the thumbnail right here, is something I've been working on for weeks. It might be my best one yet. I'll see you there.